In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators in Smartsheet. Sharing your sheet with the right people is one of the most important parts of working in Smartsheet because it's what turns a simple spreadsheet into a true collaboration space. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the quickest and most reliable way to invite others, set their permissions, and make sure they can access exactly what they need without overcomplicating anything. Let's start on your Smartsheet with the sheet already open. Look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Share. This is your main hub for inviting collaborators. Go ahead and click that Share button. When you do, a sharing window will pop up, and this is where you'll add the people you want to collaborate with and control what they can do. Inside this sharing window, find the field labeled Invite Collaborators. This is where you'll type the email addresses of the people you want to share your sheet with. You can add a single email or type multiple email addresses separated by commas or spaces, depending on how you prefer to work. Take a moment to double-check the spelling of each address. A small typo can mean someone never receives the invitation, so it's worth being careful here. Once you've entered the email addresses, the next step is to decide what each person should be allowed to do in your sheet. To do this, look for the permission drop-down next to their name or just below the email field. Click that drop-down to see your options, which typically include Viewer, Editor, and Admin. Choose Viewer if you only want them to be able to see information without changing anything. This is perfect for stakeholders or managers who just need to stay updated. Choose Editor if you want them to make changes, like updating rows, adding comments, or modifying data. This is ideal for teammates who are actively contributing to the work. Choose Admin only for people who need full control, including changing permissions and managing the sheet's settings. It's a powerful level of access, so reserve it for trusted collaborators who really need it. After you've set the appropriate permission level, you're ready to send the invitation. Look for the Share or Send button at the bottom of the sharing window and click it to confirm. Smartsheet will send an email invitation to each address you entered, and those collaborators will now have access with the exact permissions you selected. And that's it. By clicking Share, adding their email addresses, choosing the right permission level, and confirming with Share or Send, you've successfully added collaborators to your Smartsheet in just a few simple steps.